Hi there, it's Mark with your mobile tip for the day. Today we're going to talk about how to give yourself a really nice professional finish to the ends of your wire. And when I'm talking about this, I'm talking about that little spot and that little spot. It's a tiny detail, but it'll make a big difference in the finished product. So, here's the issue. When you're cutting the arms of your mobile with just whatever pair of choppers you're using, snip. I don't know if you'll see it here, but what it does is it makes a little point at the end, which is fine, but I prefer it to be flat on the end because it makes a really nice presentation. So what's happening here is you get a little point like that, not a happy thing, but what makes us happy is when it's got the flat edge. So super simple way to address that, and that is simply getting yourself a metal file. Got this at Harbor Freight, probably $2. You'll take your arm for your mobile, you'll brace it. I like to brace it underneath my pointer finger. You'll run the end of it just like this 2 or 3 times, and you end up with a perfectly flat bottom to the wire, and it ends up making a really nice finishing detail. All right, we'll see you next time with another tip.